Today we're covering uneven sidewalk repair, grinding versus replacement. Here's what you need to know. Compare sidewalk grinding and full replacement costs, timelines, and outcomes. Learn which method works for your North Carolina home. Quick answer. Grinding costs $8 to $15 per square foot and takes 1 to 2 days, but is temporary, 2 to 5 years. Replacement costs $12 to $20 per square foot, takes 3 to 5 days, and lasts 25 to 30 years. Choose grinding for minor surface unevenness with a stable subgrade. Choose replacement if settlement is ongoing, cracks are deep, or spalling is widespread. Uneven sidewalks are a common problem in North Carolina homes, especially in areas prone to soil settlement and freeze-thaw cycles. When a trip hazard develops, homeowners face a choice: grind down the high spots or tear out and replace the entire slab. Both methods have distinct costs, timelines, and long-term outcomes. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina-based concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, the Triad, and the Lake Norman area. Pay nothing until the work is complete. Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front, protecting homeowners from the deposit and disappear pattern that defines bad concrete contracting. This post compares grinding and replacement side by side so you can make an informed decision. Local Concrete Contractor is a North Carolina concrete company that pays for every project up front, with hundreds of 5-star Google reviews across Charlotte, Raleigh, Cary, Winston-Salem, Greensboro, and the Lake Norman area. The company specializes in residential and commercial concrete repair, including sidewalk grinding and replacement work. Unlike most contractors, Local Concrete operates on a pay-on-completion model. Homeowners pay nothing until work is finished, and Local Concrete funds all materials and labor up front. Uneven sidewalk repair typically costs between $300 and $1,200 per affected section, depending on method and extent of damage. The choice between grinding and replacement depends on damage severity, subgrade stability, and long-term durability goals. Moving on to what sidewalk grinding is and when it works. Sidewalk grinding is a surface-level repair that uses a concrete grinder, a rotating abrasive wheel or diamond cup wheel, to smooth down high spots and trip hazards. The process removes 1/4 to 1/2 inch of concrete per pass, creating a sloped or level transition where a lip once existed. Grinding is fast, dust-intensive, and leaves the existing slab in place. Grinding works best when the trip hazard is recent and caused by isolated settlement rather than ongoing soil movement. The concrete slab is otherwise sound, no deep cracks wider than 1/4 inch, spalling, or structural damage. The subgrade beneath is stable and not actively shifting. Next up, when full replacement is necessary. Subscribe for more concrete tips. Thanks for watching.